Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your password on Spotify. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to search for Spotify. So click on that and open Spotify, and you need to log in into your account. So you can see I already log in. Then you simply need to click on your profile picture on the top right and click on account, and here you need to click on change password. So the first step, you simply need to add your current password, and then you simply need to add new password, and then you simply need to repeat new password and click on set new password. So this is the method that you can use to change your password on Spotify. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.